Hello friends, today I am just searching for the stock which I can use for the uh, investing, or you can say swing purpose. So I found one stock for you guys, that is Aztec Life Sciences. I'm just checking the its fundamental. So it is a fairly decent company, 1,000 crore market capital company. Price is around 600, book value. I mean, price to book is around higher side, I would say. P is good, okay, and if you see promoter holding is around 71%, okay, and if you see its result is phenomenal. I mean, the quarter on quarter growth is 156%, okay, and anyway its ROC and ROE is more than 90/20, around 90, okay, and last 10-year growth is also good, like 13% it is growing annually, and debt to equity is also manageable, like point 0.4, we can say 40% debt to equity ratio, okay, and there is no pledge, so that is a good thing, okay. If you see chart, it is going up, so it is like either it is all time high, or maybe on 52-week high. I mean the price is at around 52-week high, okay, and if you see the price to earning, it is you can say quite less. I mean previously it is used to uh, at the price to earning of 35, now it is almost 24, so it is okay, we are getting the stock relatively cheap. If you see this, I mean pros and cons of the stock, like it has reduced the debt, okay, company has a good profit growth from last 5 years. We have seen that from 10 year also it is also going good, okay, and promoter holding also increased in last quarter by almost 2%, 1.78%, so it is also a good sign, okay, there is no con as such, okay. If you see is I mean if you see its cell also growing, like from 69 to 181, almost three times it has grown. It has grown in last, you can say, less than 3 year, okay. Is EPS, if you see it is 2 3, and then suddenly there is a jump from 6 to 15 in March quarter, okay. You see this operating profit margin also increased to 24%. It is almost like a all-time high from March last, I mean from last 2 year, okay. And then if you see the dividend is also decent one, not that good, okay. If you check the year and year profit also, you see this March and profit is also very good. It's 431. I mean revenue grown a lot. And then if you see profit is also good. Okay. Balance sheet is also good. You see borrowing. They have reduced their borrowing from 176 to 99. Okay. And they have increased their reserve as well from 183 to 227. Okay, so this is overall seem to be good company, okay. Even they have reduced their debtor days from 122 to 103. This is also good, okay. ROC is maintained properly, and inventory turnover is also around 5%, so it is not that bad, okay. So let's quickly check, since market has opened today, so let's quickly check how it is technically. So if I see here, it is almost on the verge of breakout, okay. If it sustain more than this, like 615, 614, 615, I will quickly buy with the stop loss of 530, okay. And if you see my first target is around 708, 7013, sorry, 713, and see it is giving good risk and reward nowadays, 1:1. And if you just check the uh, volume as well, whether it is I mean if it is breaking out with volume or not. If you see there is a good volume in last, I mean in last few days there is hardly any green volume. So here they have it has consistently volume for 3 4 days, Okay, and if you check from weekly basis as well, from lot of weeks, I mean it is below this value. Okay, so it is struggling to basically go above this point. So if you see, it is very good chart. uh, Once it fall from here, it fall from here to here, almost 310, and then from here it try to go up. Then it is almost like a cup and handle, and just broke that cup and handle but could not sustain. Then there is again effort to go up, and now here I think it is a good candle. It is solid candle this week. So I think we can go buy above this value, almost 614. Okay, with stop loss of 530, and your target would be 708. Thanks for your cooperation. Thanks for your support. Subscribe to my channel. I'm always I will always come with this type of ideas. Thank you.